Hello everyone. Today we are taking a look at the white email worm. For reasons that are very plain to see, the name of this worm makes it very near and dear to my heart. So, let's go ahead and run it and see what it does. A required DLL MSVPO. Great. 6 months since the last Dan video and we already messed it up. Alright, let's try this again. Here is the white email worm. So, when we run it, we get an unpack version 3.7. Auto unpacking. It is now doing. Do the thing. Oh no. Unpack error. I can't fix the error. Please re-download. And then a fake hexadecimal string. We say OK. And our program has crashed, or so it would seem. But this worm has actually dropped its files into our Windows directory and will run on every restart. Now, unfortunately, I can't show you what the email looks like because I can't get it to work. But if it was working, they would look something like this. And so every time anybody emailed you, they would receive a copy of the worm as a reply to their original email with this worm attached to it. So they email you, get an instant reply from you, and if they happen to run this exe, they too will be infected with the white worm. White doesn't do much else until the 31st of the month. Let's go ahead and change the date to August 31st, 1998. Why not? Say OK. We're going to run white one more time. We see iWorm white. It's happy today 31. Okay, so the worm sort of announces its presence on your system, but doesn't seem to do much else. Or so it would seem. If we go into my computer, C:, and autoexecute.bat, and check it out, we can see it has added a format command to our autoexecute file. So as soon as we restart, this will take control and automatically format our drive. So that sounds like fun, and I want to do it. Start and restart. Oh, it's happy today again. Here we go. So we're loading up in the BIOS here, and fairly soon we should see the drive get formatted. I should probably actually take the Windows CD out of the drive. Alright, here we go. Format. Do it. And I'm guessing it's formatting. We're kind of sitting here. We're waiting. Hit enter. Nothing. We'll give it a minute. It's got to do what it's got to do. Alright, I think it's had long enough. Let's restart. So as we boot, we see invalid system disk, replace the disk, and then press any key. Bummer. You know, despite what the worm may say, I don't think it was very happy today. In fact, it was pretty awful. Your drive gets formatted, and you lose all your data. That's never very happy. But that is about it for the white email worm. Thank you very much for watching, and for your patience since it's been about 6 months since the last Dan video. Take care.